In this video, I will show how to fix ArmourySwAgent. Do you want to allow changes message? So if you get this type of message, so to fix it, click on this start and search Windows features. Click on turn Windows features on or off. Now make sure this .NET framework 3.5 is selected. If it's unselect, so click on OK and select it. And once you select it, if it's required downloading, so complete this downloading process. Click on OK. Now restart your laptop or PC. So this is the method, guys, you can try to resolve this problem. Thanks for watching and comment this method work for you.